It's no secret that everyone loves a Jeep, but when it comes to daily driving one, you quickly notice the blind spots, smaller mirrors, and the obstructed rear window. This becomes an even bigger problem when you're running an oversized spare. BrandMotion's FullVUE camera system helps to alleviate these problems and more. The FullVUE rear camera system replaces your rearview mirror with a full HD video screen. This screen is connected to a camera located on your spare tire. This placement and seamless integration provides a clear, unobstructed view of the road behind. No more cargo, passengers, spare tires, or small windows preventing you from seeing exactly what's behind you. The FullVUE rear camera system is more than just a screen. With its full touchscreen functionality, 1980 by 320 resolution, DVR recording capabilities, and integrated front view camera, this mirror is closer to a tablet than a mirror. Should the occasion ever arise, simply switch the camera system into a normally functioning mirror with the press of a single button. The cameras used in the FullVUE system are HD Sony cameras with resolutions of 1920 by 1080 with FPS ratings as high as 30, providing a crisp, clear, and smooth image. Whether you're back into a spot at the mall, heading down the interstate, or simply leading a trail run, BrandMotion's FullVUE camera system will ensure you see everything around you and more. So if you're tired of low visibility and blind spots from your Jeep, give us a call because Meyer has them.